Well, hello today. My name is Mark Holt. Everybody calls me Doc because I've been practicing or licensed veterinarian for the better part of 35 years. We're here today with my group that's with me. They have created a lovely leash and treat board to keep by your back door for when you want to take your beloved family friend, i.e. your family dog, out for a walk. The human-animal bond is alive and well. The therapeutic benefits that pet ownership does bring to a lot of people. You have the obvious benefit of a little bit more activity, a little bit more exercise, both for you and Fido. They're a wonderful source of companionship. Appreciate you spending some time with me. I'm Doc Holt, and I'm a farmer.